Area I throw salute to another welcome for football in Beijing. After match, talk about how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to this our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like this video, drop comment, and also share it with your friends and family. Tottenham Hotspur 0 and Arsenal 2. And we get our guys shows will be like now Ogbonge person. Ogbonge Arsenal fan make on tell us about how insane this game. Okay, shows the last time when your team beat Tottenham Hotspur, you don't think about 2014. But today your team don't do one thing when they never defeat they do for recent years. So go Tottenham house, go beat them for their house. How you see your team performance today?
Well, to me, the performance not this surprising to me because it not shock me because I know the team will be side the support. And waiting Arsenal they play this season, Now waiting we never play in a very long years. I even tell yourself now, see the like of the Thierry Henry, they look back, they now will play all this kind of football pass.
2003, 2004,
You they see an invincible. Now we play all this kind of football. Why they talk like this? If you see Arsenal in recent time, we not only they score goal, we they create chances. We not only they create chances, we they defend. All the wings they work. And if you see the players, they are biting spirit, massive defense, massive attack. So today game not surprise me, not shock me. I was expecting winning, and he got delivered. So to me, not be beating Tottenham home and away this season. I don't see him before. Forget our present form, but I waited the boys that they bring come the table. Now be waiting and take judge them before today.
So Oga Shozi, you know, for start of the season when I interview you, you talk something say the league don't go. Now on a day 8 points above Manchester City, will be the team waiting for second. You as an Arsenal fan, you they confident with that team when you talk for starting of season. You see the confidence so now win the league.
100%. I get the reason why me tell you say we won't win the league. First and foremost, so they go fight. If your opponents get injury, that one at 1 point. Then now, Man City, body they pain them. Liverpool, they get crippled leg. Chelsea, they pour total for their body. They dey hospital like this. So that make that one join what I tell you to say the league. Now we get. I don't see this team, not even now, because of the way the boys that they play. I don't they support Arsenal for a very long time. So when I see this difference, now me tell you say I see the difference. See the boys that will get. They are young, vibrant, ready to die for the ball. That they score, that they pass, that they assist, that they create chances, that they defend. If you see that Gabriel for defense, they fit fight you. You understand? They fit fight you for the ball because they get what they fight for. They are not just playing because they are playing for Arsenal. They are fighting for something. And what they fight for, they're very important. If they show for their character, they show for their attitude. So that made me talk, months back, say this one, now our own. Who they fight, this one a lost battle. And I will say it again and again, this league, now Arsenal gets, not because of the 8.2, but because even though say we they play Man City tomorrow, we go bring something come the table we say Man City never see before. Now be Arsenal for this season.
So Oga Shozi, I want to ask you about your manager. What do you get to talk about Mikel Arteta?
Well, personally, Arteta and somebody will be say he gets something will be say they bring come the table. What did they bring come the table? Now something will be say we need patience. You know, say man where they cook beans, different from man where they cook indomie, and man where they cook banga soup, different from man where they cook egusi soup. So now what do you want? Neither go give you for this.
So waiting, Mikel Arteta had been the cook that time. You know, it can't be like saying now it done they done.
It done they done, oh. Why me tell you say it done they done? Number one, they see am for the players' body. Number two, they see am for the league. Number three, they see am for transfer markets. So the beans where they cook, so we go use better gari. So kasa our belle go full. Sure you understand me? So waiting that they do since now they materialize. And I thank God for say because he did very lucky and maybe he know a job. Because some people they go through this area 5 years, 6 years, never come back with anything. So Arteta is trying for his age, for a little profile when he get as a manager, he did try.
So, Oga Shozi, I want to ask you about transfers now. When you say transfer window still dey open, but you as an Arsenal fan, you don't talk say that the Premier League dey on a high and I won't win them. So, How many positions or how many players you think say una need to bring in before the end of this transfer window by the end of January?
Well, right now, I fit tell you say in a long while, this time be one of our luckiest season in terms of injury. Because while they talk like this, there was a time when we say we dey top for the league. Wetin finish us? Wetin finish us? Na injury.
Why to go that injury? That
You
time?
understand? Wetin finish us na injury. Before you know, this one don get injury. Last season sef injury still worry us. Before you know, this one don get injury. I no be say I dey talk say I dey greedy. We get players, but if you give me 5 players like this, I no run. If you give me defender,
But me and you know say 5 players not possible for January. How many realistically you believe say your team need to bring?
more na give me 3. More na give me striker because I see they play Europa Cup. Give me 1 winger. Give me midfielder or defender. You understand? Give me something where we say even though Gabriel for my defense get injury, I go fit replace am. Give me somebody where we say for my midfield, somebody like Saka get injury, I go fit replace am. And winger now get injury, I fit replace am. So those are the things where we say I really want for the transfer windows.
So any message to other Arsenal fans when they talk say, this Mudryk, when Chelsea signed ahead of Arsenal, they pain them. You get any message for them? Made them worry or made them not worry? How you see that whole thing when they happen between Arsenal? Some Arsenal fans may they talk say, everything does spoil for inside the transfer window as Chelsea go sign Mikel Mudryk. But some still they talk say, nothing spoil. Now, which side of that defense you did for inside this matter?
Joke apart, this boy transfer, he not to shake me. You know how many times he not to shake me? If you go fit buy this boy with 100 million euros, that means the likes of Saka and Martinelli should be 150 million. If as we not even sign this boy self, he not even dey trouble me. Because when we sign this boy, the boy go sit down bench. Martinelli dey informed. Saka self dey informed. Eddie Kent herself dey informed. So what are we saying? So normally now this boy go dey. So if Chelsea, because say they be billionaires club or any club where they say that they call themselves this their new owner, if they want to sign people without even thinking, without even knowing the market price, I could come out with 90 million. At the end of the day, Lukaku see flop. Okay, now you don't carry this boy come now. Because maybe you get injury, and I mean it's okay. Anyway, but left face, Moku sign now. So me Arsenal fans may they command their mind for this boy. Don't pass. This was the same thing man you did when we go for Martinez. Today we not regret Martinez. I know so that winger will come. So Moku go. Anybody who will sign today must down bench first. We get Marquinhos. The boy good. Moku will go for more. More will go for more.
All right, now, Oga Shorty, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey loyal like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.